I know it's a long time. Ever since the one time taught you guys how to draw fighters from One Piece, we've drawn characters that are from. Well, tonight we drew characters from left and right. Well, tonight we're gonna draw one of the first One Piece characters I ever met. Tonight we're gonna draw Nelson. Based on based on his body design, based on where he is, this guy is from the Navy, and he wears this. He was mostly seen on the Grand Line arc. Basically, when you draw him, you start by drawing his face, and these. Basically, looking up close, he almost looks like a Joker. Now we just draw the Bloodstone Ruby. That's one. Next, we draw his chest. There we are. Now we just draw his hair. I know this guy was saw him once in the Grand Line arc. Nelson has basically only had the chance to debut in the opening title for One Piece. Well, the second title for One Piece. If the Marines are basically the rivals for the One Piece arc, why are they even against the Straw Hats in the first place when all they do is fight for good? They fight for justice and peace. That's no reason to go after them and call them criminals. They're just pirates who fight for good. If you ask me, it's the 7 warlords who are causing trouble. They're the ones who should be arrested. It's those who cause harm are the ones that should be arrested. The Marines are basically, well, everywhere. Starting with the Grand Line, the East Blue, Water 7, Thriller Bark, Alabasta, Fishman Island, even in the New World. Anyway, drawing the rest of Nelson, we start by drawing his seat. Now we just draw the crystal on his navy suit. I feel like the seat should be bigger. Basically, this special throne is mostly found on Nelson's very big and very famous ship. I bet he throws banquets on that thing. Mexican and stuff. What a jolly guy. There we go. I bet this guy doesn't even stand on his own 2 feet. I mean, he would if he... I mean, he does. There we are. That is how you draw Nelson from One Piece. There's the lines. And done. There he is. I know it's been a while since I've done any One Piece characters, but I'll be getting to drawing more of them soon. For next time, be sure to check out the playlists and just be on the lookout for more One Piece characters coming the next year. And probably this year as well. Anyways, Stegosaurus, see you later.